All right, welcome back to the Hunter Chef channel. I've got a moose shoulder roast. I'm gonna put it in the sous vide for about 3 to 4 hours at 130 degrees. It's gonna come out medium rare. It's gonna be beautiful. Moose roast, especially a shoulder roast, is very tough. It's on the blade of the shoulder. It's constantly moving. It's one of those cuts where you have to cook it low and slow, and sous vide is perfect. I got my sous vide set to 130 degrees. It's currently 120, the time's coming up. That's okay, we're gonna put this in anyway. Then it's gonna sit in that water bath for 4 hours. Then we're gonna take it out, sear it in a hot pan. All right, we've had our moose roast sous viding for about 4 hours now at 130 degrees Fahrenheit. And what that does is just been slow cooking, low and slow, under pressure. That's what sous vide means, which essentially just tenderizes the meat. So because of the digital thermometer, it's not going to overcook past medium rare. We're going to sear it in a really hot pan with some salt, pepper, some aromatics, and I'm going to poach a lobster tail in butter and top it off with some sea urchin compound butter. This is the East Coast wild surf and turf. Okay, so this is just some garlic butter, literally just melted unsalted butter, chopped up a clove of garlic, let that simmer. Didn't want any color, so turned it off and just let it get soft. We're gonna poach the lobster tail in the butter to warm it up. So we're just gonna season this moose roast, salt and pepper. It's a larger cut, so we can go a little heavier on the salt. Butter's starting to make noise, so I'm gonna turn that down. All right, beef tallow. I like to use beef tallow for high heat searing because it doesn't burn like kind of butter. For olive oil, you lose the natural healthy properties of olive oil when you sear at high heat. So I've been using beef tallow lately. It has a nice flavor too. Just tastes kind of like roast beef in the pan. All right, so we're looking for a nice caramelized sear. That's what we've got. I'm going to sear all 4 sides. So it's got a nice sear now. Add some more tallow. And I'm going to add just some aromatic herbs. Just some thyme, parsley. Just some herbs from my garden in there. And I'm going to baste it with the flavored tallow. I'm going to add a little bit of my lobster butter to baste. So it's kind of a gentle way to finish cooking something while flavoring it. All right, we've roasted our moose roast. Let's do a little end cut slice, see what we're working with. Beauty, nice medium rare. Plate that. East Coast lobster tail, or East Coast Newfoundland moose. And our sea urchin compound butter, also from the East Coast. Top it off with a little garlic butter. Butter on butter. Fresh herbs from my garden. That's it. Nova Scotia lobster tail, East Coast sea urchin butter. Thanks guys for watching my video. Hope you enjoy my wild surf and turf with Newfoundland moose, East Coast lobster, and East Coast sea urchin butter. Hope to see you next time.